Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add sub-items in Monday.com. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, open up the project where you want to add your sub-items. Then, in order to add a sub-item, simply expand this item with this arrow. Now you can add a sub-item name, so let's say sub-item 1, and you can press Shift and Enter to add another sub-item. So press Shift and Enter and you can enter another one. Or just press Enter to confirm. Now you can add owners to these sub-items, statuses, dates, and another columns. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.